All right, turn them on. All right, guys. So this is the official unfurnished house tour of my new luxury, or maybe you could say modern semi-luxury apartment. This is the front door. This is the coat closet. As soon as you walk in to your right, this is the dining area. This right here is the first patio in the home. And it has those windows at the top. Nice patio. I keep forgetting that the patio door is locked. Then we have a patio that's facing the woods. Nice little walkway down there. But yeah, this is the nice patio. Oh, that's like a water sprinkler, right? So yeah, do they got a plug out here? They do. That's nice because I'm gonna put patio furniture on this one and the other. Because I'm gonna decorate. Okay. So this is the kitchen. We have stainless steel microwave. We have an all black stove. Then we have this area on the island. The island is huge. Excuse my things that's sitting on top. I'm just moving in little things. We don't have any big furniture just yet. But this is the living room with the big window. And then we have one ply window, all wood floors. And we have the second patio here. This is the big patio basically. I can't wait to decorate. And this patio actually goes into my bedroom. So you have two ways to come out of this onto this patio. So we got the both of them, you know, whatever. Okay, so this is the sink area. Dishwasher all black. Stainless steel refrigerator. We got the ice maker in the inside. And this is how this looks. And I didn't put my little life waters in to get cold. This is the pantry, the kitchen pantry. Then we have the washroom. So I can't wait. I'm actually gonna decorate everything in here, so I can't wait for that. I'm actually more likely gonna scoot this over and put the bin in the middle of this. Scoot this over too. But we're gonna decorate all of this. It's gonna be cute. Up in there, then where is this light? Oh, it's actually in the inside. Then we have the utility. I believe this is called the utility closet, that's on the outside of the first bathroom. And then we have the first, excuse my son's appearance, and mine too, it's cold outside. The first bathroom is here. Excuse my face, I'm looking crazy. But this is the first bathroom. Wide, what is it called? Mirror. Toilet. Then we have a garden tub in both bathrooms actually. So can't wait to soak in that. Then this is my baby's room.
Which is me.
Which is who?
Me.
This is my baby room. He has a big picture window, ceiling fan, nice size room. He's a 6-year-old, so this is a really nice room for him. Then we have his closet, which is like a mini walk-in closet. Perfect space for him. This is perfect for him or whatever. Come on, bud. And then we have this little little mini hallway area where I can decorate, put pictures all on the walls. Then we have my bedroom. And this is my bedroom, which goes out onto the patio, which is the patio that, you know, is from. We ain't gotta open it, buddy, because we already went out there. So this is my bedroom. I also have a ceiling fan. And then, you open the door. Open the door. And then we
1, 2, 3.
And then we the carpet. I'm actually gonna, I think I'm gonna take that rug back to the store. Get it up. And we have
The bathroom.
my bathroom with the double sink. This is my bathroom. Just go take that. Get off of it because you're getting it dirty. Toilet. This is the tub in here, same garden tub. Get down. I actually have to clean this because I don't know what they caught themselves doing, but it doesn't look that clean to me. So I'm going to actually clean that myself. They have like a little robe or childhood. Then we have this little area. I'm going to decorate that all cute or whatnot. And then I have a walk-in closet in the bathroom. So, yes, love it, love it, love it, love it. This is a total upgrade from the home that I came from. So you guys can stay tuned. I look real crazy. You guys can stay tuned to see me decorate out of this apartment. And just, you know, enjoy the ride because it's definitely going to be cute. My old apartment was so pretty. So you guys can only imagine what I'm going to do with this one. And if you watch my old videos, you can see like a little bit of my old apartment. But I never did an actual apartment tour. I did, but the camera that I did it on actually burnt. So I don't have any of that footage anymore. But definitely going to do a furnished house tour on this apartment. And I'm actually going to make videos as I furnish the apartment so that you guys can see the process. So, yes. Thank you for watching my first official unfurnished house tour in my updated luxury, modern, whatever you want to call it, apartment. And again, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. I'm a little rusty. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye. What are you gonna say bye?